bienvenue au French for Beginners. Hello friends, welcome to my channel French for Beginners. So today we are going to do the verbs. Allez, c'est parti. First of all, I have written verbs. So in French, I'll tell you there are three group of verbs. French has three group of verbs, and that are er, ir, and re ending verbs. So today we are going to do re ending verbs, right? Okay. So it is the present tense of ir verb. The present tense of ir verb is conjugated by removing the r and adding s, t, double s o n s, double s e z, double s e n t to the radical of the verb. Example verb is finir and radical is fini. So fini you have to write with all subject pronoun, and then you have to add the rule. So first of all, I am going to write the verb finir, that means finish, singular and plural. So verb is, first of all we will write subject pronoun, that is je, tu, il, elle, that means I, you, he, she, and the plural of I will be nous, that means we, tu means you and plural of it is vous, that means you all, il means he, iln, ls means they for masculine, elle means she, and elles for feminine. So finir, the radical of finir verb is fini. So here I am writing fini, F-I-N-I with all. Fini, 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 fini. Now I am going to add the rule, and that is, you can see I have written the rule here. S, T, double S, O, N, S, double S, E, Z, double S, E, N, T. So all the verbs of ir ending verb will be done like that if that verb are regular verb. But we can't say irregular verb because irregular verb has their own rule that is conjugated differently. So these are the regular verb. Er verb we have already done in another video, and today I am going to explain ir video. So I'll write some of the more ir ending verb which will be same conjugated like so ir. There are another ir verbs which will be conjugated like this: choisir, rendre, remplir, rougir. That means to choose, to grow, to fill, and to redden. Here the radical of choisir will be choisi, and we will remove r. We will remove r, we will remove r from all the verbs, and then we will add the rule here. With je we will add s, with tu we will add s, with il and l we will add t, with nous we will add double s o n s, with vous we will add double s e z, with il ils e double l e s we will add double s e n t. So verb will be conjugated like this. These are all ir verb. Here I have explained the ir ending verb. Er ending verb I have explained in my another video. So now I am going to write some example which makes you clear everything. So here are the examples. First is je dash finis la leçon. I finish the lesson. So with fini, the radical will be fini, F-I-N-I, and rule we will add S. So the conjugation of fini will be fini with je. So answer will be je finis la leçon, I finish the lesson. Second is manual dash choisir un livre. Manual chose a book. So here the radical of choisir will be choisi. R we will remove, and manual is a name, so it will be conjugated with il. That means the answer will be T. So here we will add T. Manuel choisit un livre. Manuel chose a book. Tu dash finit le devoir. you finish the homework. So radical of fini will be fini. R will be removed and with tooth you will add S. L'enfant dash grandit très vite. The child grow very fast. So grandier, the radical of grandier will be grandi. R will be removed and with l'enfant is one person, that means he, so we'll add T, so it will be grandi. L'enfant grandit très vite, the child grows so fast, very fast. Les fruits dash grossier, the fruits dash larger or big. So grossier, the radical of grossier will be grossi. R will be removed and with le, it is the plural one, so it will be conjugated with ILNL, ILS, ELLES, that is plural one. So les fruits, here we will add double S E N T. Les fruits grossiers, the fruits bigger or larger. L dash résier à l'examen. L, they, feminine, they, girl. So we will write this conjugation double S E N T. So radical of res will be R E accent U double S I, and then we will add the rule double S E N T. So here I have write some of the example which makes you clear for IR ending verb. If it will be ill, we will write the same. When la comes or any name comes, it will be conjugated with ILNL, and when LES comes, it will be or LES come or two names come, like more than one name, then it will be plural, and LES come, then also it will be conjugated with ILNL plural one. So I hope this video makes you clear everything about IR ending verb. So here examples, you can have look at the examples and practice at your home. So I'll come with my another video next time, and if you want me to write another topic, or if you want any another topic from my side, you can mention in the comment box. Till then, take care, bye bye, au revoir, merci, à bientôt.